Hi, children. I hope you all are fine. Children, this is the part 4 from chapter number 9, algebraic expression and identities. So we are going to start with new exercise, that is 9.2. Okay. So now our very first question from this exercise is find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Now let me clear you what is the meaning of monomials. This we have already discussed, but still let's recall that what are monomials. Monomials are those expression who is having only one term. So here 4 and 7p are the two expression. So this is expression 1 and this is expression 2. Okay, both expression are having one term. So let's multiply. So see, in 4 no variable is there, but in 7p one variable is there. So numeric value multiply with the numeric value and rest of the variables come along with them. 4 7 is 28. So 4 is not having any variable, but 7 is having one variable. So this contain p also. So this will be your answer. Getting my point? Now next question is minus 4p comma 7p. Both are having one terms. So minus 4 multiplied by 7 gives you minus 28. Okay, now this p and this p are in multiply with each other. So in multiplication always power add. So p is having one power and this p is also having one power. So we can write 1 plus 1. It gives you p square. Okay, getting my point? Now third part is minus 4p 7pq. Now minus 4 into 7 is minus 28 and this p and this p both are having one. So we can represent p square and q. This will be your answer. Okay, I hope you are able to understand what I'm trying to say. Now next part, 4 and 5th part. See, again 4p cube comma minus 3p. So this 4 is going to multiply by 3. It gives you minus 12 and p cube multiply by p. So here p is having 3 power and here p is having 1 power. So in multiplication variables who are having power, they add with each other. So you will get minus 12 p ki power 4. Okay, so this will be your answer. Now 4p and 0. 4p multiply by 0. So anything which is going to multiply by 0, you always get 0. So answer will be 0. So with this, question number 1 from exercise 9.2 is complete. Let's move to the next question. Now in question number 2, find the area of rectangle with the following pairs of monomials as their length and breadth respectively. So you have to find out the area of rectangle. We know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. So in each part length and breadth is given to you. You have to find out the area of rectangle. So in total, indirectly question is saying that you have to multiply two expression. Okay, so p is one term, q is one term. So p multiplied by q gives you pq. This will be your answer. Okay, now 10m multiplied by 5n. So this numeric value both multiply with each other. 5 into 10 gives you 50. mn both come as it is because they are not having any common power. So this will be your answer in the second part from question number 2. Okay, now third part. Third is 20x square 5y square. It means length is this and breadth is this. So length into breadth you have to calculate. It means 20x square multiplied by 5y square. Okay, so this 20 multiplied by 5 gives you 100. X square y square. So this will be your answer. Okay. Now Next part, fourth part. This is 4x and 3x square. So this is your length, this is your breadth. Length into breadth, you will get, so length is 4x and breadth is 3x square. So both are having same power. 4 into 3 is 12. So when variables are, they are having same variables. So when variables are same, in that case we have to add the power. So here x is having 1 power and x is having 2 power plus 2. It give you 12x cube will be your answer. I hope you are able to understand what I am doing exactly. So again I am repeating, in the multiplication case there is no necessity that we are having the same variables, because this rule only belongs to the addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. But in multiplication variables can be different, but if variables are same and you are in multiplication, so you have to add the power of the same variable. Okay, so again 3mn, this is your L, and this 4np is your breadth. So L into B you have to find out. L is 3mn multiplied by 4np. Now this 3 and this 4 multiply with each other, you will get 12. M is not common in both the expressions, so M you are going to write once. Here one n, here another n, so n square, because both are having 1 power. So we are adding. So P is not common, so we are going to write P as it is. So this will be your answer. Okay, now with this we have completed your question number 2 as well as. So let's move to the question number 3. Now children, in question number 3 you have given with one table and you have to complete this table. So if you are concentrating on this row, this side, 2x minus 5y, 3x square minus 4xy, 7x square y minus 9x square y square. So this is the row of first expression. This is the row of first expression, and in the downward direction you are having expression 2. Okay, you are having expression 2, second expression. Okay, so you have to multiply this with this. So this 2x and this 2x combined gives you 2 into 2 is 4, and both are having x, same variable. So you have to add the power. Both are having 1 power, so you can write 4x square. Okay, now from this row, if you are concentrating here, 2x is there and this column is 5y. So 2 into 5 gives you 10 with minus, and here is x and here is y. So you will write x, y. Okay, so in this way you have to complete this table. 2 into 3 gives you 6, and x here or here is x square, so gives you x cube. Okay, now 2 into 4 gives you 8 with minus sign, x square and y. 2 into 7, here is 7, here is 2. So 2 into 7 is 14. Here is x cube. So we are going to add both the power. It becomes x cube and y. Okay. Now 2 9s are 18 minus 18. Here is x and here is x cube. So it gives you x cube and y square. Okay, so in this way you have to complete the whole table. Again, one row I am doing, rest of the rows I am going to give you homework. You have to do by yourself. Okay, and you have to make this table in your notebook as well as. Okay, now here next row is having 5y minus 5y. So this 5 is going to multiply with this 2. It gives you minus 10. Now here is y and here is x. So both are having different variables. So you are going to take both of them. Okay, in this way. Or you can write xy also. Yx, xy are one of the same thing. Now minus 5y. Minus 5y. Again minus here, minus here. So minus minus plus. 5 into 5 is 25. So it gives you, here is y and here is also y. It gives you y square. Okay. Now minus 5 and 3, it gives you minus 15. Both are having different variables, so you can write like this. Okay, now minus 5 and minus 4, minus minus, you are going to have positive positive term. 5 into 4 is 20, and x, and here is y, here is also y, so you can write y square. Okay, now minus 5y with 7x square. 5 into 7 is 35 with minus x square y square. Okay, next is here is 5y and here is minus 9. Minus 5 into 9 is 45 with positive, both are having negative. It gives you x square y cube, because here above you are having y square and here you are having only y, so both power add with each other, you will get cube. Okay, now 2 rows I have solved. Next 4 you have to do as in your homework. Okay, now I am giving you these 4 as your homework. Try at your home, make this table and complete this full table. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now our next question is obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height. Now rectangular boxes is given to you. Volume you have to find out. So volume, for finding out rectangular box volume, length into breadth into height. So again you have to do multiplication. So this is your first part, 5a, 3a, 7a, 4. So 5 into 3 is 15 and 15 into 7 is, 15 into 7 is 105. Okay, now a. Here is a power is 1, here power is 2, here power is 4. So you can add. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So you can write 105 a ki power 7. So in this way you can find the volume of rectangular box. Next, check out the second part. 2p, 4q, 8r. Both are having different variables. No common thing is there, so just multiply the numeric value. 4 into 2 is 8, 8 is just 64. 64 from here p will come, from here q will come, from here r will come. So you will get 64 p q r. Okay, now let's move to the next part. Next part is xy, 2x square y, 2xy square. So you have to multiply, because this is your length, breadth and height, you have to multiply. So here 2, in this no numeric values there, in this 2 is there, in this 2 is there. 2 2 ja 4, you can write. Now x, 1x, 2x is there and 1x is there. So you can write 1 plus 2 into, plus 1. Then y is 1 plus 1 plus 2. In this way you can add the powers. So 4, x ki power 4 and y ki power 4. Okay, so this is your answer. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is a, 2b, 3c. This is your length, breadth and height. So length into breadth into height is a into 2b into 3c. It gives you 6abc. So this will be your answer. So I hope you are able to do product in algebraic expression now. Now let's move to the next question, question number 5. Now in question number 5 also you have to do product. So again we have to check the variables, whether we are having same variables or not. If we are having same, you have to add the power. So here x, here x. So it means x square you can write. Then y is here, you can write y square. And z is there and z is there. It means both are having one power. We can write z square. So in this way you can multiply and write the answer. Okay, next part. Second part. A minus a square a cube. So minus is there, a 1 plus 2 plus 3. It gives you minus a 6 power 6. Okay, so in this way you will get the answer. Let's move to the next part. Next is third part. 2, 4y, 8y square, 16y cube. Both are, three of them are having y. Y variable, but in 2 variable is not there, so not a big issue. We can multiply the numeric values. 2 into 4 is 8, 8 into 8 is 64. 64 into 16 will be 1024. So numeric, after multiplying the numeric value, this 2, 4, 8 and 16, you will get 1024. Now let's check out with the variable. Here y1 plus 2 plus 3. So you can write 1024 y ki power 6. Okay, so this will be your answer. Now let's move to the next part, fourth part. A, 2b, 3c, 6abc. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, 6 6 is 36. So after that, after multiplying the numeric value, you will get 36. Now A is 2 times. One A is here, one A is here. So you can write A square. Now B and B square and C square. So in this way you can simply write the answer. I hope you are getting my point. See, now last part, fifth part, M minus Mn, M and P. So minus will be there in the multiplication because only one minus is there. So M, 3 M's are there, M cube, N, 2 N are there, N square. P is only in one time we are having P, so M cube, N square, P will be your answer with negative sign. Okay, now let's move to the next exercise. Exercise 9.3. Now next question from exercise 9.3. Carry out the multiplication of the expression in each of the following pairs. So let's solve this. See, now this is your binomial expression and this is your monomial expression. So you have to multiply monomial with binomial. So 4p, you can write q plus r in the bracket. Now how you can do this? This 4p is going to multiply with this q. After that, this 4p is going to multiply with r also. We have done this thing in the introductory part also. Okay, so how you can write? 4pq plus sign 4pr. So this will be your answer. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, now again AB is one term, A minus B is binomial expression. AB, A minus B, you can write like this. Now this AB is going to multiply with A also and this AB is going to multiply with B also. Open the bracket. A square B minus A B square. So this will be your answer. Okay, now let's move to the third part. Now 7A square B square is monomial. A plus B is binomial. So this is going to multiply with this A also and this is going to multiply with B also. How you can do that? 7, this A square, one more A is there, A cube you can write simply, plus 7A square B cube. This will be your answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Next is A square minus 9 4A. So 4A we can write outside, A square minus 9. So this is going to multiply with A square and this is going to multiply with 9 also. So 4A cube minus 36A. Okay, next is 4PQ plus QR plus RP. Whole expression is going to multiply with 0. This is a trinomial. 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So anything which is going to multiply with 0, you will get big 0. Okay. I hope all the questions are clear to you. exercise 9.3 question number 1. All the parts I have solved. Now let's move to the next question. In this question number 2, exercise 9.3, again you have to complete this table. First 2 I'm going to solve, and next 3 you have to do as in your homework. See, first expression, second expression, product you need to find. So from first expression A is there, multiply with second expression B plus C plus D. Now this A is going to multiply with B also, this A is going to multiply with C also, and with D also. Okay, so how you can write AB plus AC plus AD. So this will be your first answer. Next is x plus y minus 5, multiply this 5xy. Okay, so how you can represent this? So this 5xy is going to multiply with this x, 5xy is going to multiply with this y, and this minus 5 also. So how you can write 5x square y plus 5xy square multiply by 25xy. So this will be your answer. How? This 5xy, so one more x that is getting, so this x and this x power add with each other, you will get x square, and y is there, plus sign is there, plus 5x remains as it is, one y is there, one y is there, so y square minus 25xy. Okay, so 2 parts I have solved. Next, these 3 parts I am giving you homework. Multiply this term with this term and write the answer here in this box. Okay, maintain the table. Okay, and make this table in your notebook also. So this will be your homework. Now let's move to the next question. Now next question again from exercise 9.3, question number 3. Find the product. Okay, now again you have to find out the product. So a square 2a 20 a की power 22 4a power 26. So how you can write? A square multiply with 2a 22 4a power 26. Now no numeric value is here, 2 is here, 4 is here, so it gives you 8. Now all are having a, so we can add the power 2 plus 22 plus 26. So what you are getting? You will get 8 a की power 50. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Now second part is 2 upon 3 xy multiply by minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. So 2 9 ja minus 18 upon 30. Okay, x cube y cube. Okay, so 3 6 ja 18, 3 10 ja 30, 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. So answer will be minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube. So in this way you are able to solve the question. Now let's move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, again you have to do product. Minus 10 upon 3 p cube into 6 by 5 p cube cube. Now I'm solving right now. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So this 2 and this 2 going to multiply with each other. It gives you minus 4 p की power 4, because here 1 p is there and p cube is there. Okay, q की power 4. So this will be your answer. Okay, I hope I'm making myself clear. Now last question for today's video. All are having same variable x, x square, x cube, x4. So you can write x one time, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 7 8 9 10. So x to the power 10 will be your answer. Okay, so exercise 9.3 till question number 3 we have completed today. So with this I'm ending this video. We are going to continue exercise 9.3 in the next video as well. As take care of yourself. Thank you so much for attending this class. I hope you are getting each and every question. For you guys only I'm solving each and every question in notebook. Okay, so complete your work. Sai Ram.